Morena.
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 Kia ora.
Down the road from Anei.
And we're off.
The winery folk were very appreciative of all the boxes that we dropped, and our girls delivering were awesome. We finished about 1:10 so it took us about an hour and a half to get done. So all good. Looking forward to next week and how many thousands we might have. Cheers. Keep safe, everybody. Keep safe.
Ko tahi rano I te rūnanga o Te Āti Awa.
Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa remains available to support whānau in the greater Te Awa Kairangi region. There are protocols in place so that the delivery of their services continue. If you require contact information of essential social services at this time, they have a dedicated email that will auto-respond with social services, their contacts and the best way to gain information. Email covid19@aatiawa.com. This message is brought to you by Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa. Visit www.aatiawa.com.